welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss 5 reasons why some people fail to achieve their goals in business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara, and if today is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If today is not your first time here, thank you for being a part of the community. The first reason a lot of people fail to achieve their goals in business is the fear of taking risk. As a business owner, you have to understand that with being a business owner, there are a lot of risks that you have to be willing to take in order for you to see success within your business. Now, when it comes to taking risks within your business, this means that you cannot be afraid of opportunity. When opportunity presents itself, if it aligns with your business plan and your business goals, that may be an opportunity that you may have to take a risk in to see if it works. A lot of people like to go to the casino, they like to gamble, they like to take a risk losing their money to see what it is that they may win, hoping to hit the jackpot, the lottery. And that's the same way you have to be with your business. You have to be willing to put in money, put in time, put in work, and take a risk to see if that business is going to make you the profits and to give you the things in life that you desire to have. So when it comes to taking risks, you want to make sure that the risks you are taking are only going to align with your purpose in your business. So what I mean by that is, you're not supposed to just take a risk on every single opportunity that comes to you. But if you have that long-term and that short-term goal for your business, and you have that structure that your business needs, when the opportunity comes, you can look at if this opportunity is going to help you to reach your short-term goal as well as your long-term goal. So don't think just because you have to take risks in your business that means that every opportunity that comes that you have to be willing to jump out there and pay for this and pay for that in order to get to the next level. That's not what I'm saying. But you have to know that whatever comes about where an opportunity presents itself for your business, only if it aligns with the purpose of your business, that short-term and long-term goal, that's when you should be willing to take a risk. So when it comes to business, you have to be willing to spend money to make money. That's what everybody tells you. And that is true. You have to be willing to either spend your money in order to make investments into your business, and you also have to be willing to spend your time in order to get your business structured and be able to know things about your business industry that you may not know. So always make sure that you are willing to take a risk in your business in order to get to the next level. The thing about taking risks in your business is you can't be afraid of the investments that you are making within your business. You have to have the mindset that if it works, it works. If it don't work, it still is going to work, because you have to be willing to put in and get out exactly what you put in. So when I say don't be afraid to put into your business, don't be afraid to invest in your business. Even if you invest in something and it doesn't work right then, that does not mean that it will not work for you. It just means that you just learned a valuable lesson within your business to know that that right there didn't work, but the next thing will work. So never look at something that happens within your business as a failure. Nothing in business is a failure. It is just a stepping stone to get you to the next level, to know what works in your business and what doesn't work and what doesn't align within your business. So always remember not to be afraid of taking that risk, because that risk may be the next risk to your success story. Second reason why some people fail to achieve their goals in business is they have too many goals. When it comes to prioritizing your schedule, prioritizing your business goals, and knowing what you need to put time and effort into, you have to make sure that you do not have a lot of goals that you are trying to achieve all at once. One big mistake that I have made a long time ago in business is having too many things on my list in order for me to achieve within like a short period of time, within a year span. I would always try to pile up on how much I wanted to get done within a year, and it caused me to not get anything done. So I want you guys to know that you don't have to have a lot of goals in order for your business to be successful. You just have to make sure that your goals are aligning with what your purpose is. And when your goals are aligning with your purpose, you won't have to worry about having a lot of things at once that needs to be done. So what you can do is start out by writing out what it is that you want to accomplish within a 2-year, a 1-year time frame, and then only create maybe 3 short goals in that span so that you're able to accomplish more. Don't feel like you have to pile yourself up with so many goals in order to see success, because you don't. All you need is the right strategies, the right business plan, and the right idea in order for you to go ahead and be successful. You don't have to have a lot of things on this to-do list in order for you to get your goals accomplished. So don't have too many goals at once, and know that it's okay even if you only start out with 1 goal right now. If you start out with 1 goal, that means that you are still pushing forward in your business. So you can start out with 1 goal right now, and as long as you are putting in the work ethic and being consistent with that 1 goal, that's still going to bring you results within your business. And then you can go about and add more goals to that. But focus on one thing at a time, and don't think that you have to overload yourself, because if you overload yourself with so much at once and too many goals, you will not reach any goals. And I know that from experience. So always start out with 1 goal at a time, and once you accomplish that 1 goal, then you can go to the next goal. The 3rd reason why some people fail to achieve their goals in business is from procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy itself. One thing I know as a business owner is it is very easy to put out things, and never get things done. So I want you guys to know that procrastination may be the #1 thing that is stopping you from seeing the success that you want. In order for you to be successful in your business, you have to put in the work. In the Bible, it tells us faith without work is dead. So if you're praying that your business is a multi-millionaire business, what work are you putting in order for you to see the success that you want out? You have to be willing to do the work every single day. Or if you can't do it every day because you aren't full-time, you still have to set out time to stick to the schedule. So if you know that you work 5 days a week and that you're only off on Saturdays and Sundays, use that time to put time into your business, because you are only going to get out what you put in. Do not procrastinate. Do not let the enemy tell you wait till tomorrow, because when tomorrow comes, you will never get it done. In order to make sure that you are not procrastinating in your business, you want to set out a specific schedule of when you will work, what work you will get done, and how long you will do this work within your business. So don't just say tomorrow I'm going to do this, the next day I'm going to do this. No, have a specific schedule. So if you know that you work 5 days out the week, that means that you know when you get off of work, you're going to be tired. Maybe you have to attend to your children, your husband, whatever you may have to do. You know that you have to get these things done during the week. So you know that your timing may not be well in order for you to work on your business. So instead of trying to make excuses and say, I'm going to just wait till tomorrow, stop trying to put everything on yourself just for those 5 days. Take the time on those Saturdays and Sundays that you are off and prioritize the time that you are off. So when you know that you're off and you don't have a lot of extra things to do, use that time to go ahead and do what you need to do within your business. So that way you won't continue to procrastinate and say you need to get it done, because you would just use the time on the days that you know that you are off. So your schedule isn't as full as it would be during the week. So that will help you to stop procrastinating during the week and actually pivot and get something done on the weekend. The fourth reason some people fail to achieve their goals in business is they are afraid to pivot forward within their business. When I say you are afraid to pivot forward, this means that you are afraid to move your business into what is taking place in the now. What worked back in the day for business owners will not work for today's business owners. So you have to be willing to move forward with what is trending in today's society and not be stuck in what used to work for your business. When it comes to that, an example may be if you're someone who's trying to have a clothing boutique, maybe you are afraid of closing your brick and mortar down and moving on to the online space. Online is so popular now, so most of the times people who start brick and mortar businesses, you may be afraid to go ahead and pivot to what is better now for your business, which is getting online, getting on social media, and putting your business in front of other people nationwide. You have to be willing to pivot forward in order to see success for your business. So if you're someone who is stuck in what used to work for business owners back in the day, you need to find out how you can move your business forward by shifting with what is taking place now. So one thing I can say about what's taking place now is video creation. A lot of people are afraid to get in front of the cameras. They hate to be seen. They are shy. They don't know what to say. But I want you guys to know that the more you begin to get in front of the camera, the more you begin to talk to the camera, the more comfortable you will begin to get this done for your business. And you want to make sure that you are including videoing for your business because that is what is trending now. That is the society that we live in now, and that is what's going to move your business forward. So if you're struggling to see success within your business and accomplish your goals for your business, this may be the reason why. You need to make sure that you are creating video content, you are getting in front of the camera, you are engaging with your audience, you are showing up in your business, and you're not afraid to show up. So be confident and move your business forward, pivot forward, and stay going forward, not looking back into what used to work but what's working today. The fifth reason people fail to achieve their goals in business is the lack of motivation. Maybe you're someone who's been doing this for a long time and you feel like it is not working out for you and you are just tired of trying. Maybe the enemy is playing tricks on you, telling you this isn't going to work for you, it's not meant for you, and you just need to give up. Lack of motivation will destroy your confidence as a business owner, and I want you to know that it is okay for you to reset. You may need to take a moment and reset within your business. Get clarity on what it is that you feel like your purpose is within your business, and then come back 10 times harder. One thing I can tell you guys again from experience is you will lack motivation if your only reason for your business is to make money. Of course, we all want to make money. We all want to get rich. We all want to have a success story, and we want to be able to live the life that we desire. But you have to realize money cannot be your only reason for your business. I like to tell people to start with what is passionate to you. Make sure you know why you are starting this business, and make sure that every single day you are showing up as your authentic self and not what you see other people in your same industry doing. If you are trying to only make money within the business, you hate that business, and you don't even like what you are currently doing, that is not the business for you. You want to make sure that there is purpose behind what you are doing and that you love what you are doing. Because the thing about starting a business is you can start any type of business and make money as long as you have a plan, as long as you are consistent, and as long as you are showing up every day. So don't think that you have to do what everyone else is doing. Do something that you love to do, because when you quit your job, You want to make sure that you love what you're doing, because what's the purpose of quitting a job that you currently hate just to start a business and work in a business that you still hate? It's pointless. Like, you can make money at your job and you can make money within that business, but you want to start out your business with something that you absolutely love. So if you don't have any motivation and you are stuck and you are tired, take a moment and reset. Figure out what it is that you are passionate about. Figure out how you can get out of this rut. Spend time with yourself, identifying with who you are, what you love to do, and what makes you happy, because what makes you happy will also make someone else happy. So you need to figure out if this is your purpose or if this is something that you are only doing for the love of money. Because if it is, you may need to write out some things that you desire and love to do on a daily, so that you can create a way for you to make that into your business structure going forward. So this is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope that this helped you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give me a like on this video. If you are not a part of the community, be sure to subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I teach you guys how to unleash your purpose and how to monetize it by starting and growing your business, so that you can live a life that you desire to live. I am Tiara, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.